In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to uninstall an app from your Shopify store. Uninstalling apps is a good habit to keep your store clean, fast, and secure. Maybe you are testing a feature, or you've switched to a different tool and no longer need the old one. Whatever the reason, I'll walk you through the exact steps so you can safely remove any app you no longer want. First, make sure you're logged into your Shopify admin. This is your main dashboard where you manage products, orders, customers, and apps. Once you're on the dashboard, look towards the top of the page for the search bar. The search bar is really handy because it lets you quickly access different areas of your store without digging through menus. Click on the search bar and type apps. As you type, Shopify will suggest different options. From those suggestions, click on the one labeled apps. This will bring you to the section where all your apps and sales channels are managed. On this page, look for an option called App and Sales Channel Settings. Click on that. This is where Shopify lists every app and sales channel currently installed on your store, including both third-party apps and any sales channels you've added, like social or marketplace integrations. Now, find the specific app you want to uninstall. Take a moment to double-check the app's name to make sure you're removing the right one, especially if you have several apps that sound similar. Next to each app, you'll see a small icon with 3 dots, usually on the right-hand side of the row. Click on these 3 dots to open a small menu of options for that app. In that menu, click on Uninstall. When you do this, Shopify will usually show a confirmation window. You might see an optional field where you can give a reason for uninstalling or a note from the app developer. You can fill this in if you'd like, but it's not required. To complete the process, click Uninstall again in the confirmation window. This final click confirms that you really do want to remove the app from your store. After a moment, the app will disappear from your list, which means it has been successfully uninstalled. And that's it. You've now removed the app from your Shopify store, helping keep your admin